welcome back to another EasyBlock scripting tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I show you how to create multiple leader stats with DATASTORE inside of Roblox Studio. So yeah, let's get straight away into the video. Now before we start, I just wanted to say that in order for this to work, you must go to the game settings and go to security and allow HTTP requests and enable Studio to API services if you want to test it out in Studio. Yeah, so definitely enable Studio and HTTPS inside of the security tab in game settings. So yeah, with that, let's get into the video. So what you want to do first is add a script inside of server script service. So what we want to do is first define our variables. So let's say local data store here. Let's say local data store equals game. Okay, I spelled that wrong. Game : get service, and the script will be in this description, so you can just copy and paste. Data store service. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so now I think we will add more variables as we go forward, but yeah. Alright, so now what we want to do is actually create the leader stat. So we want to say game.players.player added connect function player. Now we want to say local data, so I'm just going to call the folder containing the data. So local data equals instance.new folder, comma, and then the instance's parent, as you can see over here, which in this case would be player. So yeah, now we want to name the folder. So we want to do data.name. This is what the folder inside of the player is going to be called. So I would recommend calling it leader stats, so it shows up in the leaderboard. Alright. Now we can actually create the variables. Not variables, the int values. So basically, what we want to do is so I'm just going to add local, let's say cache equals instance.new int value, and then we want the parent of the int value to be data, so we want to say data. Alright, nice. Then we want it to be cache.name equals cache, because why not, right? Alright, so now we can just copy this and paste it so that we can have our second leader stat. And you can do this for however many times you want, for however many variable or int values you want, but I'm just gonna call this one XP. Alright, so we just need to change this, and I'm gonna call this one EXP. So now what happens if we join the game? is, as you can see, we have a cache section and an exp section, and inside the player we have that's my username, and we have a leader stats folder that we just created, and inside we have 2 int values that we also created. So yeah, that's the first part done. Again, all you need to do is copy and paste, but I think you might want to customize it or something like that. But anyways, I'm just going to yeah, do this. Anyways, okay, so I think I am going to create 2 variables that that will define what the data store is called. So let's say local cache storage, which is what saves your cache, is equal to wait, let me think. Yeah, it's supposed to be data store. Yeah, data store, get data store, and then inside you can call it whatever you want the data store to be called. I'm just gonna call it cache data. Alright, let's just call it that. And then since we have two int values or 2 leader stats, we want to copy this and paste it and call this second one exp storage. Call this one exp data. Alright, so now we want to actually start coding the data, so the data store. So we want to say local current cache equals cache storage get async. Okay, hopefully I can spell this right. Get async here, player comma user ID. Oh, sorry. Not comma, player.user ID. And we want to see if this works, right? I want to see if this actually works. So we want it, I want to see if this actually works. So we want it to print the current cache so I can see that it actually works, right? You don't need to put print current cache. You can delete it, but I just want to see that it actually works in the output. Alright, so likewise, we want to do this exact same thing. Alright, because we have 2 leader stats, right? So we want to change this one to current exp. We want it to be the exp storage. So yeah, we want it to be the exp storage. And then we want it to print current exp. So again, I can see that it works. You don't have to put that part. Alright. So yeah, let me see what happens if we join the game. Let me see the output. Again, all you need to do is copy paste the link in the description. Oh yeah. I need to do something real quick. So we want to say if current cache is equal to nil, then current nope, not that, current cache equals 0. So yeah, that'll fix the problem. So let's just copy this, paste this, and change this to current exp. Current exp. So depending on how much leader stats you have, you have to do it that many times. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. If you need help, just comment in the comment section below what you want, and I'll just, create it for you and send the script to you. Okay, anyways, let's continue. Now what we want to do is, we want it to actually, I don't know how to call it, but oh yeah, I forgot a very important step. We want to say that cash dot value equals current cash. Yeah, that's very important to do because yeah, I think the script is self-explanatory. So again, we have to copy this over because okay, whoops, not exp cache. Because okay, I forgot what I was talking about, but yeah, just do this. And now what we want to do is the final step. We want it to save when the value of the int values has changed. So we want it to be cache dot changed, and then we want it to be connect. I don't know why I can't just press enter now, but anyways, connect function. Alright, new value. Alright, cool, just like that. And then when you press enter, an end appears. Now we want to set the async. So let's just go cache storage, set async, yes, player dot user ID new value. Alright, there we go, and we copy this and paste this. exp, yes, exp.change connect function new value. Yeah, so we want to change this to exp storage. There we go. So now we have a data store for all of these two. So yeah, the script in the description will be equal to the script I just wrote out. So yeah, let's see if the data store works. Oh wait, I just thought of something. I can't see if the data store works if the value is always gonna be 0, right? Here, I'm gonna add a coin real quick, so I can actually see if the data store works. Because right now, nothing gives you more cash, right? Alright, so I just customized the coin so that when you touch it, it gives you more cash and exp, so we can actually test if the data store works. So again, you need to enable Studio to API services and HTTPS for this to actually work. It's really simple. All you need to do is turn it on, and yeah, that's really it. Let me see what's happening in the output. Alright, so as you can see, it printed out the amount of cash and XP we have. If I touch this, I coded it so you get 1 cash and 98 XP. So yeah, that's different than when we started. So let's see if it actually saves. So we're gonna stop, and let's see the output when we play again. Let's see if it saves. As you can see, it has successfully saved our cache value. See, as you can see, it used to be 0 and 0. Now it's 1 and 98. As you can see, it printed 1 for cache, 98 for EXP. So now I can actually see that it works. As you can see, it's the test, and okay, what happened? As you could see, it works. So I don't know why can't I control my character anymore? But anyways, as you could see, it worked. And just as further proof, if I join back in, I have 1 cache and 98 EXP again. And if I get more cache and more EXP or XP and play again, it should save the value. Yep, as you can see, it saved how much cache and XP we had. As you can see, it printed out how much cache and XP we had. As you can see, it changed, and when we leave and rejoin, just like all the other times, it should save our value. Now, this is just one simple script, so yeah, if you want like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you basically just copy the steps I did. And as you can see, it did indeed save. So yeah, definitely really cool. And I think that would be it for today's video. So yeah, definitely also keep in mind that the script I gave you is just the data store script. It does not include this coin. I just included this coin so I could prove that when I got more cash and XP and left and rejoined, it actually saved. So yeah, that's the data store script. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely subscribe, like, and comment down below what you would like to see for my next video. Sorry I haven't been uploading recently. I've been working on my own game, which yeah, I've been working on my own game pretty simply enough. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. The links and scripts in the description. So all you need to do is copy and paste, and peace out. Thanks for watching to the end. If you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy the videos on the left and right of your screen, and definitely smash that center subscribe button. Peace out.